Today we're going to be installing the Vizi-tec SupaBrake III brake light module in the R1200 RS. This is to replace the Vizi-tec SupaBrake II that I have installed in my bike, but which has since stopped working. I got in contact with the manufacturer, and in no time at all he offered superb customer service and sent me a replacement unit. First thing to do is to remove the CAN Smart controller out of the way to get a little bit more access. So move that out of the way and tuck it away somewhere. Do that. So this is all part of the CAN Smart controller accessory manager from Denali Electronics, subject of another video that I've got. So the SupaBrake II is installed like this. Starts here, this is it, and it plugs into the back of the light. So it's just a matter of undoing this clip. It's been in here a while, so it's a little bit hard, stuck inside there. There you go, pull it out, and then pull out the plug that's at the back of the light. Let me see if I can rotate that around. Get this out of the way. Now I'm hoping to be able to get this out without undoing anything else. I should be able to. Just there's a little clip at the back here. Just should be able to just pull that down and then pull it out. To remove the plug that's connected to the brake light, it's better to use a plier. Open the plier to the wider position, grip that little tab there, right there, and just pull it out. Tuck the connector back down, pull it off. So now the SupaBrake II is off, and we install the SupaBrake III in its place. On the RS, this is, as you can see, is a dead easy installation. So I just thread this back up through here. Since I've got the camera pointing in that angle, thread it up through here and then plug it in like that. Simple and straightforward into that position there. Then I take this and I plug this into the other connector wherever it went. Here it is. So I make sure that the orientation is correct. I believe it can only go one way, but I'm going to just make sure that it is going the correct way. So there's an orientation tab right there. Plug that in and it's installed. That's it. Installation is done. Now if I remember correctly, the factory settings should be already in place. So I'm going to just stick this back down. Stick my CAN Smart controller back down there. Tuck these wires into the little clip that I have here. Neaten up the area, and then we'll have a look and see what the brake light does when I switch on the bike. So with the bike turned on, engine off, I can just activate the front brakes, for example, and see what happens. As you can see, there's some flashing of the brake light straight out of the box.